Today, our big focus is on hockey. Once described as India's national game, a sport in which India has won 8 Olympic golds, a sport that defined India's post-independence era, a sport that has defined the concept of the Indian underdog taking on the world. Well, for 41 years, Indian hockey appeared to struggle to win a medal. In fact, 12 years ago, India was not even qualifying for the Olympics in 2008. Now, in 2021, we have a moment to savor. The men's hockey team finally won their first medal after the 1980 Moscow Games, defeating Germany 5-4 in a thrilling clash. Manpreet Singh's men have pulled off one of India's most remarkable sporting victories in recent times. Let's, before we go further, tell you all that unfolded at 7 a.m. this morning as the nation awoke to India rising once again as a hockey power.
India, the most successful hockey team in Olympics history. Yet, for 41 years, we hadn't won a single medal at the world's biggest stage. But now, the 4-decade-long wait has finally come to an end. The Indian men's hockey team scripted history by beating 2008 and 2012 gold medalist Germany in the bronze medal match. And it was a game for the ages. India edged the Germans by a single goal margin in a thriller that ended 5-4. The men in blue were staring down the barrel when Germany had taken a 3-1 lead in the second quarter. But as Captain Mandeep said, they never thought they were out of the game. They believed they could still win and did not give up.
We were 3-1 down and we didn't give up. And the way we just thought like we have to give up 100% until the last whistle. That's what I think we played. That was the mentality of the boys. And even 3-1 down, we just fight back, and we believe that we will come back and we will score goals.
What followed next was the fight back that will be remembered for ages to come. In 8 minutes spread across the second and third quarter, India pulled off an incredible comeback. They scored 4 goals. Yes, 4 goals in 8 minutes. Germany didn't know what hit them. From 1-3 down, India were now leading 5-3. And the entire nation was ecstatic. The entire country celebrated. While the Germans pulled a goal back in the fourth quarter, Manpreet Singh's side defended like there was no tomorrow and sealed a glorious victory for Team India. And the Indian captain was speechless after his side's fantastic victory.
Right now it's amazing because we've been working this hard from last long time, and finally we got a medal, and we are really proud, and I really don't know what to say about this because I'm speechless right now because I'm having an amazing feeling. Yeah, I don't know. Sorry.
So what if it's not a gold? It is a medal after 41 years. A watershed moment for Indian hockey perhaps. A moment that highlights that Indian hockey is once again in the ascendancy. The world number 3 team will hopefully build from here and get us the golden glory in Paris 2024. Sports Bureau, India Today.
Now, predictably, celebrations broke out soon after India won that bronze medal. Remember, as I said at the very start, an entire generation has waited for this moment, and that perhaps reflects in the manner in which the spontaneous outpouring of joy followed the victory. India is truly proud of the men who won this medal in Tokyo. A stunning victory against Germany, one of the mighty sides of Europe, bringing home that bronze medal. Now, many of these team members come from very humble backgrounds. They come from states varying from Punjab to Haryana to Uttar Pradesh to Odisha and many other parts of the country, including, of course, one famous name from Kerala. For the family members of these Indian team players, this was a moment to savor, a moment where they could share the fact that their children had become true superstars. Take a look.
Celebrations, hugs, sweets, dancing to drum beats, India on a historic high, choking on emotions. Relishing the big moment of glory, uniting and shedding tears of joy. In Tokyo, the Indian team too joined in while leaving in the team bus.
The country proud today. Fantastic. That's absolutely fantastic performance from the team.
Crackers and fireworks at goalkeeper Shrijesh's house. India today was there when the ecstatic Indian goalie called home, first thing after the stupendous victory. Shrijesh had stood like a wall, demolishing many determined teams looking to score against India. The proud families of the Super 16 couldn't hold back their joy. After all, their sons had done the unthinkable, pulling back a trailing India from the jaws of defeat. Emotional moments were witnessed as players called up home to speak to their families. The entire country joined in for one big party, as the 16 players are from diverse backgrounds from across India. There were celebrations from Punjab to Kerala, from Odisha to Uttar Pradesh, from Manipur to Madhya Pradesh.
बहुत खुशी की बात है मैडम, क्योंकि लास्ट तक आज हमने पूरा मैच देखा और साथ में फैमिली भी थी, तो 5-4 जब स्कोर था तो काफ़ी टेंशन थी, क्योंकि हॉकी में एक गोल का गैप कोई ज़्यादा मायने नहीं रखता। पूरा देश सेलिब्रेट कर रहा है क्योंकि ब्रॉन्ज मेडल आया और हम यहाँ पे अच्छे से भाई का वेलकम करेंगे।
जीत गया जैसे हिस्ट्री लिखी गई, ब्रॉन्ज मेडल जीत लिया, बहुत खुशी वाली गल है, बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी वाली गल।
पूरे 130 करोड़ भारतीयों की दुआएं थी और हमारी जो गोल्ड की उम्मीद थी वो नहीं पूरी हुई, तो ब्रॉन्ज की जो है ब्रॉन्ज मेडल जो है वो हमारे भारतीय टीम ने कामयाब रखा है।
Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who skipped his morning yoga session to watch the match on TV, spoke to the team to congratulate the players.
थैंक यू सर, सर आपकी बहुत दुआएं थी सर हमारे साथ। थैंक यू सर। सर आपका जो मोटिवेशन था वो काफी काम किया सर हमारी टीम के लिए।
Odisha Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik, the chief sponsor of the team, and the Parliament also congratulated the men in blue.
Many congratulations to our hockey team. The whole of India is so excited, as is Odisha, of course. We are all behind you and we wish you the very best.
मुझे सदन को ये सूचित करते हुए अत्यंत प्रसन्नता हो रही है कि भारत की हॉकी टीम ने 41 वर्षों की लंबी प्रतीक्षा के बाद भारत के लिए कांस्य पदक जीता है। मैं अपनी ओर से, सदन की ओर से भारतीय हॉकी टीम को इस ऐतिहासिक सफलता के लिए हार्दिक बधाई देता हूं।
The historic win and the high are truly a transformational moment for India's national game. Bureau Report, India Today.
Very, very special day in the history of Olympic sport for this country. I'm joined by special guests. Manisha Malhotra is the head sports excellence and scouting at JSW Sports. Ashish Ballal, was one of India's great hockey goalkeepers, won us an Asian Games. Meer Ranjan Negi was the former hockey coach as well as player, and Nandan Kamath is managing trustee at the Go Sports Foundation. I'm also joined by Dilip Tirki, former hockey captain and someone who's been associated with Odisha sports in particular. We hope to be joined by the players. They'll be joining us. They're having dinner at the moment in Tokyo, but they promised to join us. I want to get each of you to react to what this day means. Ashish, you first. What does this mean? You were from that generation that missed out on an Olympic medal. What does today mean for you and your generation of players to see India back on the podium?
Phenomenal. I think it's a phenomenal victory. The boys have really worked hard, and such an pride of the nation. The hockey team. When the hockey team wins a medal, people forget everything, everybody's worries, and just enjoys the moment. The whole nation, the love and affection that has been pouring in for the team. Everybody was glued to their TVs today, and we all got up early to watch some golf, but the real action was hockey.
That's right. I got up, I set my alarm for 6:55, got up at 7, saw the Germans score the first goal, got worried, went almost back to sleep, and then came the great comeback. But, Meer Ranjan Negi, these are days that are scripted in history. What does today mean? Again, the same question that I asked Ashish. What is the significance for you and your entire generation of hockey players to see India back there on the podium?
As the generation has gone, they have not seen a medal at the Olympics. So last night we had a very disturbed sleep. We all were very anxious. And the first quarter, the way Germans played, they put all their ammunition into the game. We were nowhere. And then there was a little heartbreak. But the way our team came back after that 3-1 down, that was something amazing. And after the game, as Ashish Balal said, we all were crying. There were tears in everybody's eyes. And we are so proud. And I believe this euphoria which has been created today because of that win should be carried further.
That's
in 1998 Bangkok Asian.
Go ahead.
1998 Bangkok Asian Games, we won the gold after 32 years.
Yes.
My two students, Ashish Balal and Dilip Tirki, they are sitting today with me. And from that team, 7 players were dropped. 7 players, they were dropped. And that complete excitement, they just went berserk. So this is the time when lot of promotion should be there. Lot of promotion is required. And I will go one step further. I will say at least 15 to 20 matches across India should be organized for these players. The winning team versus the rest of India.
Nice, interesting idea. Interesting idea. Winning team versus the rest of India. Create this momentum, build on the momentum. Dilip Tirki, you were, as Meer Ranjan Negi said, part of that 98 team, won an Asian gold, but we couldn't build on this. 41 साल के बाद दिलीप तिर्की हॉकी टीम इस तरह से मेडल जीत के लाती है. एक बहुत ही बड़ा दिन है एक तरह से इंडियन स्पोर्ट और इंडियन हॉकी के लिए. कुछ हमें बताइए किस तरह से ये दिन आपको लगता है, इसकी सिग्निफिकेंस, इसका महत्व बताइए.
शुक्रिया, थैंक यू सो मच, और आपको भी बधाई. और सचमुच हम सब के लिए बहुत बड़ा दिन है. जैसे 41 साल के बाद हम सब इंतजार कर रहे थे, वेट कर रहे थे, उम्मीद कर रहे थे कब हम ओलंपिक मेडल हमारे हाथ आएगा, हम जीत पाएंगे. लेकिन आज मैं गर्व के साथ कहना चाहूंगा कि आज फाइनली आज हमारे लड़के, हमारे जो पुरुष हॉकी टीम प्रूव कर दिए. आज जर्मनी को 5-4 से जीत के ब्रॉन्ज मेडल हमें दिलाए. आज खुशी हो रही है. रियली आज एक हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ा दिन है, ऐतिहासिक दिन है. हम दोबारा से एक इतिहास रचा है आज.
You've scripted history. In a sense, this is a historic moment. Manisha Malhotra, you've been a former player yourself. Tennis is not hockey, but hockey has a certain connect to the Indian people. The emotions I'm seeing from the players, from the fans, it's almost as if, finally redemption after all these years. As Meer Ranjan Negi pointed out, do you see sponsors building foundations like yours now, supporting hockey in a manner that we've not seen in the past? Will hockey be a one-day flash in the pan Olympics, or do you now see it going from bronze to silver to gold?
I certainly hope it goes from bronze to silver to gold. What is very, very apparent, I mean, I was glued to the TV set. I couldn't even watch parts of it because I got so nervous. But what is very, very apparent, I've not grown up playing hockey. I've not grown up. I was 4 years old when hockey won its last medal. But yet this game has a connect that like no other. There is a euphoria that surrounds this game. There is something about hockey that gets us Indians, on the edge of our seats, ready to go. So I do hope that there's, the floodgates do open for hockey. And I think that the hockey management is prepared. I think that they have some good plans in place. And I do believe that they will spend a lot of their time now figuring out a game plan for growth.
That's the key. A good point to bring in Nandan Kamath, Go Sports Foundation. Nandan, you're a lawyer, but you're also this sports fanatic like so many of us. And one of the aims, presumably, of your foundation is to promote Olympic sports. In particular, you also promote the Paralympics. Just want to understand, do you see this as a turning point? Do you see this as the moment where hockey will finally come out of the shadows and will be fully embraced? Or will we again go back to being just a cricket-centric country?
Yeah, thanks, Rajiv. Hockey is my first sport, so really my first love before it was cricket.
It's all our first love. Let me just say this, just to intervene. My first love, 1975, winning that World Cup is the first enduring memory I have of, really, getting emotional about sport, and then hockey had that relation. But go ahead, please.
Yeah, so I think the moment is here. The question is whether we have the structures in place. So, I mean, first, just the delight of having this moment, also giving sort of just reward to the people who have made this possible, which includes Hockey India, which includes the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. It's incredible that we've got to this point from where we were. To answer your question, is it the inflection point? The question is really one of sports administration, and if we are ready in many ways to capture the legacy of a moment like this. And by that, I mean, are we ready for our youngsters to go out and buy hockey sticks, go and play the sport? Is it there in our schools? And I think that is a real question we have to ask ourselves. Are we ready for what this moment means to us?
Now, who takes the initiative?
Question a lot of us are asking ourselves.
But who takes that initiative, Nandan? Is it the private sector? Is it government? You mentioned the role, we mentioned the role the Odisha government has played, Sports Authority of India, Ministry of Youth Affairs. Is this still going to be driven, you believe, by the public sector? Or do you believe the time has come for a greater private-public partnership?
Rajdeep, honestly, sport, we've looked at it in a very government-centric manner, but sport has to come from everywhere. It's sports for all, but also sports by all. And I mean, the government has to play a role, but it's also the sports business that has a significant role to play in any economy that is a successful sporting nation. But also all of us as society, all of us have a chance to participate in athletes' lives. All of us have a chance to support athletes, turn up, go and watch events, get young people to play. And just the encouraging word and building a sports culture is not just about funding high-performance elite athletes. Right. It's about the social messaging we give young people who are trying to aspire to be sports people. The rewards, and by that it's not just financial rewards, but the social rewards we give young people who are trying to be successful at sport. And that is where I think a lot of attention can be spent, is just what is the social messaging, what is the narrative shift. These moments must be captured. The value of these moments must be captured. And all of us have a role. It's not just the government about building infrastructure. There is some infrastructure there. A lot of our sport doesn't need massive infrastructure. It needs the social infrastructure that all of us are capable of giving. And
I'm going to stop you for a moment. I have to stop you for a moment.
As well as society.
Because, today is a day to celebrate our heroes, and they're joining us one by one. I'm just joined by Virendra Lakra. Virendra, congratulations on your remarkable victory. You're joining me from Tokyo, I believe. Okay, Shrijesh is also joining us. So we are joined at this particular moment by Virendra Lakra, Shrijesh and Mandeep. There you are all. Congratulations. First of all, I don't know if you can hear my clap.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
आपने तो दिल खुश कर दिया. आपने तो दिल खुश कर दिया. I am in tears just watching you. this morning. But can I start with the hero, Shrijesh? 6 seconds to go.
Always.
Then I say 5-4, 6 seconds to go. I switched off my TV. I was scared the Germans would score. Please tell me what was going through your mind. 5-4, and the Germans got that penalty corner.
Sir, thank you very much. At least you mentioned this. I used to do this when Sachin Tendulkar used to get out. I used to switch off my TV. So when you said it, that's made my day. And say when the last situation, 6 seconds penalty corner, nothing else to think about. Just watch the ball and save it. The only one thing which came into my mind is like, Sri, what kuch bhi ho jaye, just roko yaar, please, and nothing else. And that's what I done.
You know, I must tell you, I've got 2 goalkeepers on my show, Mir Ranjan Negi, Ashish Balal. You want to say something to Shrijesh? Ashish?
Shrijesh, you're a fantastic role model. You're a hero. You've done the nation proud. We are all so proud of you. You have had a fantastic Olympics, and you have become a role model for so many youth of our country. You've given us extreme happiness today. We are all so happy today.
You know, this is a fantastic, you know, Shrijesh, I must tell you, you are a superstar in Kerala. There is a road named after you now in Kochi, Olympian. Yeah. You know, tell me, you know, for you as a proud Keralite, proud Indian, what does this mean for you? What does this bronze medal, when you had that medal around you, what was it like?
So when I started my career, that's long back in 2000. So I started when I joined the national team also. We had that history. People always tell that, okay, we do have a rich history. We won a lot of international medals. We won a lot of Olympics medals, and we are one of the nation who dominated this sports for a long time. And after 80s, we were in a downfall. And so everyone says, when we are going to race again, when you are going to get a medal. And today, when I got that medal, today when we won that bronze medal, I think this is a rebirth for our game. And this is the time what I can tell my youngsters, I can tell to the next generation. This is what this legacy just wanted to pass to them. I just want to pass this legacy to them so that they will capable to dream about winning a silver or gold medal or winning a World Cup in the future. So I believe this is one of the rebirth for the Indian hockey, and definitely for the youngsters who is dreaming a career in hockey. This is going to give them more motivation.
Of course it is. It's going to create an entire generation of Indians who will now remember you, Shrijesh. You will never be forgotten. As will Mandeep, Virendra Lakra, all of you. Each and every one of you is a hero. Mandeep, you were fantastic. Every time you were going into the opposition penalty corner, the Germans were worried. The Belgians the other day, you had, you know, put this, you know, what does this mean? ये moment आपके लिए क्या मायने रखता है? जब आपके कंधे पर वो मेडल आया तब।
बिल्कुल सर, थैंक यू सो मच सर। बहुत खुशी की बात है कि इतने टाइम बाद मेडल मिला है हमें, और फीलिंग तो मैं क्या बताऊं, क्योंकि एक सपना होता है कि ओलंपिक खेलना, उसमें मेडल जीतना, और ब्रॉन्ज मेडल आया इतने टाइम बाद, और बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी है। और आपने अगर गेम की बात की है कि लाइक मेरा यही काम रहता है कि मैं क्योंकि एक एज ए बोलते हैं कि टीम हमारी होती है और एज ए टीम में खेलना होता है, तो यही रहता है कि जैसे भी मैं डी में जाता हूँ, मेरा यही रहता है कि मैं शॉट ऑन गोल करूं और पीसी बनाऊं अपने, क्योंकि सभी को पता है कि ऑलमोस्ट वर्ल्ड के बेस्ट ड्राइव फ्लिकर है हमारे पास, तो अगर मिस होते हैं तो वो भी चलो होता है कि चलो पीसी बनाएं, गोल ऑन ये करें।
मैं आपको बताऊं, किसी ने एक व्हाट्सएप भेजा कि जर्मनी के अलग अलग सरनेम थे उनके गोल स्कोरर्स के, इंडिया के थे 5 सिंह 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 सिंह। ये क्या है? सिंह इज किंग, ये क्या है? ये ग्रेट ट्रेडिशन है पंजाब का।
नहीं सर, ये एज ए टीम मैं बोलूंगा कि गोल भी अगर कोई भी करता है तो एज ए टीम सभी का माना जाता है, क्योंकि पीछे से बॉल आती है तो सभी के ही टच लगते हैं। तो आई थिंक बहुत खुशी की बात है कि अगर गोल हो रहे हैं, कोई सिंह है या कोई भी है, तो एज ए टीम ये हमारा होता है।
बिल्कुल। एंड वीरेंद्र लाकरा, यू कम फ्रॉम ओडिशा, सुंदरगढ़। ये क्या है सुंदरगढ़ का या ओडिशा का मैजिक क्या है? 3 प्लेयर ओडिशा के, यू आर वन ऑफ द 3। मैं दिलीप तिर्की हमारे शो पर है, वो कह रहे हैं ओडिशा का कुछ मैजिक है। क्या है मैजिक वीरेंद्र? यू वर फैंटास्टिक अगेन, यू वर डिफेंडिंग, यू वर रशिंग आउट ऑफ पेनल्टी कॉर्नर्स। क्या है मैजिक? ये टीम में जादू कहां से इतना आ गया?
पहले तो सर बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहूँगा आप लोग को, और ये जो आपने कहा उड़ीसा एक जादू है। तो ये है कि ओडिशा का जो मिट्टी में ही मतलब हॉकी का वो मतलब बह रहा है। हर एक जगह आप देखो उड़ीसा में जो ट्राइबल एरिया है, हर एक जगह मतलब हॉकी छोड़कर कुछ स्पोर्ट्स नहीं खेला जाता है। तो ये एक चीज है कि जो मतलब ट्राइबल एरियास है उड़ीसा में, तो बचपन से ही मतलब वहाँ पे हॉकी के अलावा और दूसरा गेम कोई होता नहीं है। तो यही एक वजह है सर कि हर कोई मतलब हॉकी लेके निकल पड़ता है।
You know, that is true कि ओडिशा एक गढ़ बन गया है। दिलीप तिर्की से वीरेंद्र लाक्रा, you know, all of you have been great players for the game. But Srijesh, on the other hand, Kerala, of course, Srijesh has no hockey tradition. So in a non-traditional place like Kerala, to, you know, in a way, is this a moment that you think will bring hockey across India, not just to Punjab or to Odisha? It will take hockey everywhere.
Definitely, sir. I do believe that, because this might be. I mean, this can be a starting point. No, when people think about picking up hockey stick, I think this can be a great beginning for them, and they can dream about a future. Because when I started hockey, my parents were much worried about a job or a future in hockey, because nobody was there from Kerala who got a job or a better lifestyle through hockey.
Right.
So now when the younger generation, when they look at me, when they wanted to play hockey, they just can look at me and they can feel like, okay, भाई ने तो किया, क्यों हम लोग क्यों नहीं कर सकता है? So I think everyone wanted to be like that. You know, when I started my career as an athlete, मैं कभी सोचा नहीं था कि I will play in the Olympics games. But when I started to play hockey, I never thought I will play for the country in the Olympics games. But today I won a medal. I got a job in my state. So tomorrow when somebody is picking up the hockey stick, they will feel like, okay, I want to become Srijesh. I want to get a job and I will be happy. And now parents also feel the same way, that even if you play hockey, you can live a better life. So.
And I'm told you haven't seen your family for weeks. Your wife, of course, is a doctor, so she has been she's been looking after the home.
Sir, it's not weeks; it's months. It's months of months. It's like almost 6 months. I didn't meet them properly. So that's a great sacrifice. You don't believe that camp started, the training started from last 1.5 years, and in between this 1.5 years, we all hardly got like 4 break, which is like really small break. And but today when I hold this medal, oh
lovely, you have the medal.
So proud.
I'm asking my producer to put it in big frame. Just show it to us. Lovely. What a lovely sight to see the medal. It has to be gold next time, Srijesh. Paris mein gold.
Definitely, sir. Definitely. So that 1.5 year sacrifice comes to an end with a smile on. So I really happy with that. And in my family, I miss my kids' childhood. They grew up like anything, but still I feel proud tomorrow when I go home, when my kids says that my dad is an Olympics medalist and he won an Olympics bronze medal. That is one thing which I really give importance to, and that's equal as this all sacrifice.
How are you all going to celebrate? मैं ये सबसे पूछूंगा. All of you, Mandeep joins us back also. What is the celebration planned, Srijesh? It is almost midnight, I presume, where you are. Any celebration planned?
No celebration.
No celebration?
No celebration.
क्या मनदीप क्यों नहीं?
अभी सर बेड पे हैं और फीलिंग ले रहे हैं अभी भी.
अच्छा, तो आज रात को मनदीप मेडल के साथ सो जाओगे? मेडल अपने
इसके साथ ही सोएंगे सर.
हाँ श्रीजेश,
क्योंकि इतना बड़ा ड्रीम था हमारा सर.
बिल्कुल.
और आज ये हमारे हाथ में है और इसको हम छोड़ तो सकते नहीं है, तो इसके साथ ही सोएंगे सर.
तो आप इंडिया को भी इसी मेडल के अपने गले में लगाइए. कोई आपसे मेडल नहीं छीनेगा. ये आपकी मेहनत का मेडल है.
ये सर ऑलरेडी इंडिया का ही मेडल है सर.
अरे पूरे इंडिया का मेडल है. वेरी गुड श्रीजेश. नो सेलिब्रेशन श्रीजेश?
Sir, actually, it's almost 12 o'clock. 12 a.m., maybe 12:01 a.m. in Tokyo. So I think we will postpone the celebration to tomorrow. For tomorrow, we will do it tomorrow.
Birendra, no celebration क्या है? इतना बड़ा दिन है, no celebration?
सर इंडिया में आगे करेंगे सर।
अच्छा, इंडिया लेके आएंगे। अच्छा, ये बताइए, यू नो, आई थिंक पीपल नीड टू नो दिस। एक आखिरी मैं आप सबको पूछूंगा क्योंकि मैं जानता हूं कि 12 बज गए, बट श्रीजेश, if there is you know, if there is one thing that you missed all these months that you are now going to do, you know, you said several months away from the family, what is the one thing you want to do? Thoda rest karoge?
So definitely we do have a routine. So when you wake up, you need to fill a lot of forms before your wellness, and you need to and you need to think about what is the day. I mean, day looks like. There'll be meetings, there'll be preparation, there'll be stretches. Stretching and lot of engagements. So the first few days, stay away from hockey, stay away from everything. Just sleep, just eat. That's it.
Hey, how is the body, bud? You know, all those shots that you were stopping, all those drag flicks, any blows on the body?
Sir, I'm used to this. Seriously, literally this Mandeep, this Viru, and all of they hit like anything. So I'm used to this.
अच्छा, ये मनदीप, ये बताइए, ये हडल जब होता है टीम का, क्या बात करते हैं ये हडल में? मैं 2-3 बार देख रहा था, और खास करके जब जर्मनी 3-1 से जीत रही थी, 3-1।
जी।
कभी होप, डिड यू गिव अप होप? कभी आपको लगा कि ये नहीं जीत पाएंगे आज, या कभी आपने होप नहीं गिव अप किया?
नहीं सर, हमारा यही रहता है कि अगर कोई अच्छा नहीं भी खेल रहा है, उसको कॉन्फिडेंस दिलाते हैं जो हमारे सीनियर प्लेयर्स हैं एक दूसरे को। तो हमारा यही रहता है कि जब भी हम ग्रुप में रहते हैं तो एक दूसरे के अंदर जोश भरते हैं कि अगर कोई अच्छा भी नहीं खेल रहा, उसको बोलते तो है ही अच्छा, तू करेगा अच्छा अगले स्टेप में। तो यही मेन रहता है हमारा कि एक दूसरे को मोटिवेशन करते हैं, अच्छे से कॉन्फिडेंट दिलाते हैं, तू अच्छा कर सकता है आगे जाके।
कोई गाना, कोई टीम का गाना वीरेंद्र, कोई टीम सॉन्ग? आप लोग बड़े, मैंने सुना है, बड़े अच्छे नाचते हैं और गाते हैं। वीरेंद्र, एनी टीम सॉन्ग?
वीरू भाजी तो मास्टर है डांस में।
Who is the best dancer? Hockey players are good dancers. Virendra, which is the best song? कोई गाना?
मनदीप सर, मनदीप।
अच्छा, मनदीप, कौन सा गाना, फेवरेट गाना बताओ?
सर पंजाबी गाने जो मर्जी।
अरे कन्नड़ पंजाबी ही है यार।
सर खुशी में तो अब आप कोई भी लगा दो, हम तो नाचेंगे सर।
कोई भी लगा दो,
खुशी इतनी है।
हाँ जी सर।
अच्छा, ये you know, Shrijesh, I saw a photograph of you were on the pole after the match. What was that photograph? What were you doing on that pole? You know, the photograph has gone viral. They're saying you are the Great Wall of India.
So normally what happens, being a goalkeeper, I spent, almost 21 years in front of that goal post. And that's become like a home. And I always talk to my goal post. It's like, during a match, when I consider a goal, I talk to my goal post like, "Arey yaar, kya kiya?" And when the ball hits the goal post, I say, "Thanks, buddy, great save." So we do have a very good relationship. And after the match got over, I just want to celebrate that victory with my favorite place.
Achha, the goal post
I just climbed on that.
So goal post is your favorite place, where you you have a special relationship with the goal post. That's great. Every goalie has it. You know, we have Mir Ranjan Negi also, the great hockey player. Negi Saab, you want to say something to Shrijesh?
I think in the last 2 decades, there has not been a goalkeeper as good as Shrijesh.
Lovely.
He not only plays well, he also inspires the entire team. And I have never seen any goalkeeper who is so jovial, so charged up in the game, and amazing saves.
You know, and
Shrijesh, the entire country is proud of you, yeah.
You know,
entire country is proud of you.
You know, that's the great thing, to see one generation handing over the baton. We've got 2 great hockey goalkeepers in Negi and Balal who are talking about Shrijesh. This is what sport is about. Virendra ji, जब आप when you go back to Odisha, क्या करोगे? First thing, किसकी याद सबसे आई? कि फेस टाइम किया कि नहीं माता जी या फैमिली के साथ?
हेलो
वीरेंद्र, जब आप वापस जाओगे ओडिशा, व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग? पहली चीज क्या करोगे?
सर पहले चीज तो घर जाऊंगा सर। 1 साल, ऑलमोस्ट 1 साल से सर बेंगलोर में रहे हैं, क्वारंटाइन और सब, मतलब थोड़ा टाइम चाहिए अभी हॉकी से ना। फिर फैमिली से मिलना है। बच्चा अभी पहचान नहीं रहा है सर, जब कॉल करो तो कौन है बोल के वो काट देता है फोन। तो एटलीस्ट फैमिली के साथ टाइम स्पेंड करना है, थोड़ा फिर मम्मी से मिलना है गांव जाके। तो अभी सर टाइम है, थोड़ा टाइम है हम लोग के पास, फैमिली टाइम, तो बस उस पे फोकस करेंगे। एटलीस्ट एक हफ्ता फैमिली के साथ चाहिए टाइम स्पेंड, फिर अपना प्रैक्टिस पे फिर वापस आएंगे।
बट यू आर वन ऑफ द बैचलर्स ना वीरेंद्र, टीम के बैचलर हो आप कि शादी?
No sir,
he is married and he got a kid.
Yes Shrijesh, sorry, tell me Shrijesh.
He is married.
He is married.
उसका एक बेटा है।
See, I thought you were a bachelor. My fault. मुझे लगा यार आप इतने यंग लगते हो वीरेंद्र, मुझे लगा शादी नहीं हुई अभी तक। There is Shrijesh saying.
अरे सर।
Mandeep, what about you? क्या करोगे वापस जाके? What's the first thing on the agenda?
गर्लफ्रेंड्स को मिलेगा मंदिर।
सर सबसे पहले तो मैं फैमिली से मिलूंगा, उसके बाद मैं अपने डॉग से मिलूंगा।
अच्छा नहीं श्रीजेश, आप क्या कह रहे थे? Who is he going to meet? Girlfriend?
नो सर, अभी नहीं सर, गर्लफ्रेंड कहाँ सर।
गर्लफ्रेंड
मिलना है, अपने डॉगीज से मिलना है और अपनी फैमिली से मिलना है सबसे पहले जाके।
You know, this is wonderful to sort of, listen to all of you. I just want to ask you all in conclusion, any message, Shrijesh, you have for the many fans in India today? You are our heroes. I hope that you get the same importance that our cricketers get when they come back after a big victory. It's even bigger for some of us than winning a World Cup, because cricket, we are a #1 team. Hockey,
Yes,
41 years of hurt. Any message for all your fans, Shrijesh?
We all miss you people on the field. I know on the stands really. But I always believe that आप लोग सब हम लोग को बहुत प्यार दिया, हमारे लिए प्रेयर किया. Thank you very much. हम लोग ये लेके आप लोगों के लिए, and you deserve it. And thank you very much for all your wishes and your prayers.
अच्छा, ये जो गाना है, ये गाने के बगैर नहीं जा सकते मनदीप। कौन सा फेवरेट पंजाबी गाना है? Which is your favorite गाना? थोड़ा सुना दे।
सिंधु मूसेवाला।
कौन सा?
हमारे सीनियर है ही सही है तो।
अच्छा तू शुरू कर मनदीप, you start, then Shrijesh will take over. This is meeting. This is एक दूसरे के लिए। पंजाब meets केरला।
डॉलर वांगू नहीं नाम साडा चलदा।
अच्छा तू गा के तो सुना।
नहीं सर, पूरा नहीं आता, जैसे आपको थोड़ा सा।
अच्छा तू पहली लाइन गा ले, then Shrijesh will take over.
No. So I'm not a favorite of Punjabi Gana, but these people always play that music. I will enjoy that. That's all.
I must ask you this, Shrijesh.
कहाँ बसा रहे हो?
नहीं Shrijesh, not.
अबे गाना यार, please.
मुझे नहीं आता, sorry.
हरमन को बुला.
हरमन गा लेगा.
अच्छा, it's been wonderful talking to all of you, and this is a celebration in a way. Please keep that medal around you. And
sure,
you have made all of us very proud. Virender, Mandeep, Shrijesh, and each and every one of you. You have today brought a lot of tears to our tears of joy. In COVID times, you have given us a very happy moment, and please enjoy it. Rest well and enjoy the moment. Ye medal aap hi ka hai. Enjoy it. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much for joining us. That's wonderful to have the players. They've stayed up till after midnight to come on this show. What a day. What a day for Indian sport. It's a day where we all, in a way, have to feel a little emotional. That's what hockey does to you. There's a sport of the underdog, and it is the spirit, the jasba of India that you saw today on the hockey field. I want to thank all my other guests. I'm sorry we couldn't come to you for more, but this was a very special moment to get them from Togiso Nandan, Dilip Tirki, Manisha. Thank you. I hope all of you will sponsor them, make them heroes. That's the aim, so that in a way their legacy lives on. They become part of India's sporting folklore, and our names we'll always remember. Wonderful to have all of you on the show.